Have you been anxious and flustered during this COVID-19 period? What with circuit breaker in Singapore, lockdown in many countries, and all the bad news going on? I just want to say, hey, I'm here for you in this little online space of mine. Hi friend, I'm Shannon Zan and it's DIY time. I hope this calming video of me painting my tree light and sharing my story will help to soothe your soul too. Circuit breaker in 2020. I decided to let go of my mini office and work entirely from home. Well, because we had to, and because my income plunged to $0 overnight. It pushed me to revamp my room, which, if you want to see some of the process, let me know in the comments and subscribe to get notified when I post them. During this worrying period, I underwent a lot of reflection about my mindset, restarting a new career, and rebuilding my life. And in the midst of anxiousness and chaos, I realized I really enjoy arts and crafts and DIY stuff. So I bought some DIY kits and embarked on some simple arty-farty projects. Hey, if you are also a DIY kit fan, please recommend me some kits through the comments. Thank you! Painting allows me to relax my mind and create something beautiful with my hands. I'm actually not great in art, so I started with painting this tree light that I have. It was a little messy at first, but I got the hang of it and I soon forgot all about the worries of the world, even if it's just for a few hours. This little self-care activity is so helpful to recharge my soul and to strengthen me to face the challenges ahead. I call it my soul care activity. Well, what is your soul care activity? Something that brings you into another world. And I don't mean Korean dramas, but something that helps you to relax your mind, express yourself, and unleash your creativity in some way. I highly recommend painting and arts and crafts if you haven't tried before. Just that simple. If you are a structured person, get a paint by numbers kit. Or if you don't like restriction, just get a canvas, paints and brush and just splatter randomly. The first time may be frustrating. Once you get the hang of it, I think there's a good chance your soul will thank you. Let me know what's your soul care activity. Stay safe my friend and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.